If we were told to add a text or the image on the PowerPoint presentations, generally we do something like this. We just add any text here like this. Together we can make a difference, or any other text. Or if you're told to add some inspiration quote, and generally we add it like this. All right. So instead of doing something like this plain and simple, why don't we create something new and something more innovative? So here I'm going to show you how to do a simple basic character animation and use those animation to show this text or the inspiration quote or images or messages in PowerPoint. So let me just show you how I did that one. If you see here, I have just added these different characters with some different colors, and what happens here is these are animated, so when I click, you can see here their eyes started blinking, and then the mouths are moving. So, and you can just put your text here, so the same text together we can make a difference. I have added here, so this gives more meaningful to your slide. All right, so like this you can do a wide variety of things with the help of these characters. So let me just show you few more slides. So here you can see the same thing. I've just put it like this here. All right, and then I have made one more where you can put any images, and you can put amazing offers, or click here to learn more, or so many things you can do it. And one more here I did like leadership skills, we are hiring, all those things. It can be done with the help of this character animation. And if you have not subscribed to my channel PowerPoint University, please subscribe it and make sure to enable the bell notification icon. You can join my Telegram group with the help of this link. And if you like to contribute to my channel, you can do it through PayPal or Patreon. The link is provided in the video description section. I have used Office 2019 version to do this. However, this can be done in any version of PowerPoint. So let's start the tutorial. Add a new slide and change the background to any light color background. Go to Insert, Shapes. I'm going to select the oval shape, draw the oval shape. All right, and shape fill, make it white, and shape outline, make it black. And if you want, you can just increase the weight, maybe 1.5, or you can just increase more also, maybe 2/4. And if you like to do some kind of adjustment to the shape, you can right mouse click, edit point, and you can just do some adjustment whatever way you like. Anyway, let it be like this. Then I'm going to add one more oval shape. Go to Insert, Shapes, select the oval shape, draw the oval shape, something like this. All right, and this also shape outline black, make it the same weight, the 2/4, and shape fill white, and send this to back. All right, and then make sure that it is aligned properly in the center. Then again, for this also I'm going to right mouse click, edit point, and below point just click this one. You can see this two small squares, just drag this outside somewhat like this. All right, so this is the body kind of thing. Now let's draw some hands. To draw the hands, go to Insert, Shapes. From the lines, either I can choose the curve or I can choose the freeform shape also. So let me just choose the freeform shape for the hands. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to just click it here exactly on this neck, and then click here. You can see here, or I can just click outside up somewhat like this, and I'm going to click here one like this, and then double click like this. Okay, and this also shape outline black, and I'm going to give the same weight, the 2/4, and then see the hand doesn't look it should be kind of a smooth edges. For that, again right mouse click, edit points. You can see these points, click on the select like this. When the cursor becomes like this, right mouse click and make it a smooth point. You can see here, this also I'm going to make it a smooth point, this also I'm going to make it a smooth point, even this also I'm going to make it a smooth point. And if you want, you can make a smooth point for these also. Okay, and then let me just zoom in. All right, so what I can do is I can just bring this one more closer, and this one you can see here I'm going to make it something like curved, and this also I'm going to make it something more curvy like this. All right, so this is my hand. Now I'm going to duplicate this by pressing Ctrl D. You can see here, bring the other side and then go to rotate. I'm going to make it flip horizontal and then exactly attach the same here. So you can see here, these are my hands, and then I'm going to draw a leg. For that, go to insert shapes. Now I'm going to choose the curve here. Okay, and then I'm going to click it here, something like this. You can see here, click one here and one here, and then I'm going to make it a curve thing here. Double click, and this also shape outline the same, and the weight I'm going to give the 2/4. You can see here. Let me just duplicate this one, bring the other side, rotate and flip horizontal and put it exactly at the right place. All right, now you can see here the character is almost ready. Now if you want to fill with some different color, I'm going to select this one, right mouse click, go to format shape and select the pattern fill here. Okay, and you've got different patterns. I'm going to select this one, which is the diagonal stripes, wide upward, and just click that one, and you can just choose any foreground color, any color of your choice. Maybe I'm going to choose this, or I can choose maybe this, whichever color you like. Okay, now once this is done, let's make some the mouth and the eyes. To make the eyes, go to insert shapes. I'm going to choose the oval shape again. Let me just zoom in more so that you know exactly what I'm trying to do. And then here I'm going to place one eye like this. Shape outline, make it no outline. Shape fill, make it black. All right, so you can make it one here, and later on we can adjust also. Press Ctrl D to duplicate, and this one I'm going to make it somewhat up. All right, now to make the mouth, you have got different options. I can go and choose the shapes. I can choose the curve. One I'm just clicking here, one I'm clicking down, you can see here, and one I'm just clicking here and double click this one. And this also shape outline, I'm going to make it black, and I can just make it same 2/4 here. And if you want to increase also, you can increase it. And if you want to add a nose or something like that, that is also can be done, but that is not required. Now you can see here the character is ready. What I'm going to do is I'm going to select all. Okay, or you can press Ctrl A also to select all, Ctrl G to group it, and hold the shift key. You can reduce the size depending on the requirement. So I'm just going to place it here, one, and then press Ctrl D to duplicate, or you can hold the Ctrl Shift key together and just drag it here, one like this and one more like this. And then I'm just going to choose this one. Let me just change some different colors, and here I'm going to change some other color, maybe this one. All right, now once this is done, let me just ungroup this, select group, ungroup. Now I want to change the mouth of this one. Let me just delete this one, go to insert shapes. I'm going to choose maybe a heart shape. You can see here I'm just going to do something like this. Okay, shape outline black, shape fill, make it no fill, and this also I'm going to make it 2/4 and bring it here. And here if you want, you can just add some small line here at this end. This also black, and weight 2/4. Duplicate, press Ctrl D, bring the other side. Okay, and then I'm going to make it flip vertical and attach it here. And this one I can select both of these and press Ctrl G to group it. So you can see here I have changed the colors, I have changed the mouths, and now it's time to add some text at the top. So go to insert shapes, select the rectangle, draw the rectangle like this. All right, and if you want, you can just bring everything down because we have enough space at the bottom. Bring it more down, and all right, place it like this. Again, format, shape fill, make it white, shape outline black, and if you like to change, you can change it like this. And then go to insert text box, add your text here, and I'm going to choose the font which is the Hand of Sean. All right, and increase the size. So you can see here we have done this design. Now if you like to add some animation to the eyes and the mouth, you can do it also. So let me just show you how to do the animation part. Close the format background, go to the animations, enable the animation pane. I'm going to choose this eyes, you can see here, or I can choose all these eyes. I can just make the mouse something like this. You can see here only the eyes got selected. Add animation, more emphasis effects, and I'm going to choose blink. You can see here blink like that. Click OK, and right mouse click on this one, effect options, go to the timings. If you want, you can make it fast, slow, medium, whichever, and repeat, make it until end of the slide, and click OK. And if I play, it comes something like this. All right, now the only problem is this one, it should start, the second one should start a little bit delay. So I'm just going to increase the size, the timer here. I'm going to set both of this and increase this one, and this one a little bit delay also. So if I play on the slideshow, when I click, so you can see here, you can just do this kind of animation. And then the mouth also, you can add any animation of your choice. Again, go to the animations, maybe add animation, more entrance effect. I can give a vibe here. So you can see here a vibe, click OK, and this should go with the first one. All right, and this also with previous. Double click this one, timings, you want fast, medium, slow, whatever, and until end of the slide. Click OK, and if I play, so you can see here, and for this I can make it add animation, more entrance effects. I can select basic zoom, maybe click OK, double click this, timing, make it slower until end of the slide, click OK, and I'm going to bring it here with previous. So this is very slow, you can see here. If you want, you can just make it faster also. Timings, you can make it faster. So like this, you can do a different kind of animation. And this text, you can type any text, change the color. If you like to add image, you can add the image. There are multiple things you can do with this particular slide.